Tomorrow at 12:30, MTD CNC are going live on LinkedIn, Facebook and YouTube. Chloe, we're super excited because we're doing demonstrations on the FANUC ROBODRILL, but you're really impressed with what this machine is capable of, aren't you?
Oh yeah, definitely. The size of the machine and the amount of speeds and feeds and toughness of this machine to get these cuts on these 3 different materials is outstanding.
So let me explain the materials. We've got aluminium here, we've got mild carbon steel and we've got stainless steel. What has impressed you on the stainless piece?
Okay, so stainless steel, what we've got here is we've got a 40mm U-drill going straight in, no problem, okay, straight in there. We've also got a slot here and we've also used circular interpolation to get the material out as quick as possible.
And we're going to find a lot more detail on these. We're going to be talking to the tooling providers, the software providers as well. So you get a real insight exactly to how they've programmed this. Let's talk about the mild steel then.
Okay, so as you can see, it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same pocket and slot that we've got on both of the materials, but obviously the speeds and feeds are going to change, the power of the machine is going to change, and we're going to showcase that. And if you're using different materials, how the tooling and how the machine performs is exactly what we're going to show.
You're really impressed by one feature as well, because Andy's just told us. You know how long it takes to do that? Go on, tell everyone.
Cannot believe it. For these two, 26 seconds, unbelievable. So I did the quick maths, 13 seconds each, fantastic.
It was quick math. And then the aluminium you're impressed with as well, because the metal removal rate is massive.
Massive, and 7 minutes, just over 7 minutes it takes to get all this material out. And obviously, as we can see, circular interpolation again. We've got 3 pockets, we've also got chamfering around the edges, and we've got threading as well. So in all that time, absolutely amazing.
What the machine is capable
is capable of, the power and the machine, and look how small it is, and be able to get these results, great.
So we're going to be going into detail tomorrow. Make sure you're watching us on YouTube, Facebook and LinkedIn live from FANUC's headquarters at 12:30.